In this video, you will see how a circuit board moves through Keytron's automated one-piece flow production line from beginning to end. First, solder paste is applied to the bare printed circuit board through a stencil. The board is then scanned in 3 dimensions with a laser to verify conformity to spec. Next, automatic assembly machines place surface mount components, working at placement speeds up towards 25 components per second. The assembled printed circuit board then enters the reflow oven, where components are soldered onto the board. Automatic optical inspection follows the reflow oven, where again process quality and adherence to specifications is verified. With the surface mount process complete, the board now enters the through-hole assembly process. Part placement or insertion is made by dual ABB Yumi robots, each with 2 flexible hands, parts feeding systems, camera-based part location, and state-of-the-art robot control and machine learning to cope with variations in the process. When all components are in place, THT components are soldered by selective wave, which can handle up to 4 products at the same time. Automatic optical inspection follows, where again process quality and adherence to specifications is verified. The board is then sent to a cleaning machine, where it is washed, dried, and prepared for functional testing. Test verifies that the product functions as required. The test is performed in a multi-station equipped with advanced logic to optimize efficiency. After testing, the boards are automatically sorted, and approved products are coated to protect against harsh environmental conditions. Finally, the boards go through a heating process to complete the curing of the coated boards. And that concludes our quick tour.